Interest is the seed capital for anything to learn. This is the basic statement wherever you may find in the world, in anybody's life. How interest is aroused in the children. Who is the motivator in the classroom? Good. Teacher is the good motivator. Teacher is the good motivator to arouse interest. For what? To learn content in the English language. Content is different, language is different. Okay? Without content, there is no language. Without content, there is no language. Without language, there is no communication. Suppose the relation between the presenter and the listener, what is the communication? Why we are sitting nearly 6 hours together in a classroom, in a tight classroom with uncomfortable desks? Only that is maintaining with the communication, the greater interest to learn the spoken English. That is the interest within you. That is triggered by the English medium introduction in Telangana state. It compelled us to sit in this hot summer, beginning hot summer. Of course, we have not experiencing this type of seating arrangements in our schools, and also we have comfortable sofa sets in our houses also by enjoying the leisure times. But we are not having such facilities in this one. So the interest is only the capital for any person from child to adult, to learn. So to arouse the interest in any subject, we have different disciplines are there, environmental sciences are there, mathematics is there, language is there. Okay. You are well aware about the National Education Policy 2020. Income certificate of 1 lakh below and they will apply. This is a drive. This is a drive to motivate all that community people to get the sheep free of cost or in a subsidized price. So anything you see, economy is the driving force for the mass people. Education is not the driving force for them. That's why if you call for SMC meetings, nobody will attend. Madam, I have a lot of work that time, so that I cannot attend. Because of education is not the first priority of the common people, but that is first priority for the teacher or the headmaster. So that's why the conflict is there. So we have to make change that mass people towards to make the education as a priority one. If we keep interest. Some teachers are doing like so. The interested people are doing wonders they will do. What they aspire from us? If you invite all the parents or few parents at the first time, you make their children to read at them. Just they ask, Madam, please let my child to read out before me, before all parents. If that child is called you, then he started reading in Telugu or English or Urdu, then the parent will be very happy. Not the other competencies, just read. That gives a lot of happy. Then he will spread into the other community people. What a teacher is there. So he is doing a good job in our school. He is imparting good education to our children. My child read before me. Simple thing. He spread over. Next meeting if you call, more people will come. When the more people will come, you address also the other problems of the women, the other problems of the society as a social educator. Now, I used to tell most of the parents regarding the health awareness. social taboos, how to rear the children, how to educate the children. These are the important tasks. Why? Because means we are the nation builders. We are branded as a nation builders. From president to village president, they prize us at one day. That is teachers. The teachers, we have to remain the all the other 364 days like so. Then only we will fulfill and we will give the right meaning to that definition, the teacher. So that's why I request you to learn more this spoken English. We have a lot of facilities than earlier. What are the facilities that we have? We have smartphones. If you just touch, if you don't know any word, nephew is there. What is nephew? Then you press in the Google search, then it automatically it will come. Sister's son or brother's son. Menallodu. Automatically. And grammatical structure also, if you type, it will explain it is wrong or right. That is a weapon. Google is a weapon to learn. A tool for us. A tool. You need not to download the dictionaries also. Just you put in the Google search, it will come out. And the other thing is, we have been taught wrong pronunciation in our schools while we have been schooling. Is it right or wrong? మనం చదువుకున్నప్పుడు మనకి రాంగ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ తో చెప్పారు చాలా పదాలు. ప్లీజ్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ సచ్ మిస్టేక్స్ టు అవర్ చిల్డ్రన్. చాలా రాంగ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ హెక్టిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ టు రిమూవ్ దట్ వన్ అండ్ రీప్లేస్ ఇట్ విత్ ద రైట్ వన్. Lot of mental exercise is required. So no, ours is a Telangana accent, we will talk in English. Only we have to follow the Britishers or American. We are following the Britishers. Okay, so even little bit sentences with easy words. Don't go to the hyperbolic language. Easy language. If you talk with the children with the little sentences, that should be like your mother tongue. They have to follow, not to be monotonous with the gestures, with your facial expressions, with your movings, hands, everything with action. You should be like a drama actor sometimes. You should be like a singer sometimes. You should be like a child by playing joined together. Different roles teacher has to play. All lecturing means they won't listen, children. That's why joy of learning is needed. For that we have to prepare the material. What is the material required? Suppose the material is fulfilled by the children themselves, then we have to guide them. Then we have to guide them before, in advance. Previous day, they will bring automatically. They spend a total time for that. That time will be saved for you. Did you understand? ఎంత అద్భుతాలు చేస్తారంటే పిల్లలు. మీరు ఒక చెప్పండి ఇంటికి వస్తే, ఇప్పుడు నేను చూస్తున్నాను మనోరాళ్ళని, ఇంటికి వస్తుంటే ఒక శాలువాలు తీసుకొని టీచర్ లాగానే వేసుకుంటారు. వాడు చిన్న కిడ్, అది 1 year కిడ్. శారీ కట్టమంటుంది వాళ్ళ అమ్మ రాగానే. శాలు ఉన్నాయి ఇంట్లో చాలా, అవి మొత్తం కట్టేసుకుంటారు. బోర్డు తయారు చేసిన బ్లాక్ బోర్డు మొత్తం రాస్తూనే ఉంటది. ఎవరు ఉండరు అక్కడ. లిసన్ చిల్డ్రన్, రైట్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ షీ రైట్స్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్, యు రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. మొత్తం నేను క్లాస్ చూడాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఆ స్కూల్లో క్లాస్ టీచర్ ఏం చెప్పిందో మొత్తం నాకు అక్కడ పిక్చర్ చూపిస్తుంది. అంతా మొత్తం అదే పని. జస్ట్ బ్యాగ్ అక్కడ పడేస్తుందంటే మొత్తం అదే చేస్తుంది. సో హౌ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. Teacher is the ideal. Teacher is the immediate ideal to the child. Teacher is the immediate ideal. If you say 2 plus 2 5, then imitate 2 plus 2 5. Even their parents will say 2 plus 2 4. No. My teacher said 2 plus 2 5. That much of ideal they will take. Okay, dear teachers, is a good opportunity. Of course, some problems are there. Need not to explain to you. Need not to explain you because of this is not the intention of the district authority to make them sit in these hard desks and making to sit 6 hours together in a compact manner. This is not the intention of the DO. The pathetic situation that was created by the SCRT and the Director of School Education. I dare to say that one. No guidelines so far regarding the, for even to give a comfort for a teacher a tea, they are not in a position the DO to offer. This is the pathetic situation they created. But orders are passed. You have to conduct the English training. How? There is no choice. There is no maid. Only with the communication skills, the good human relations, we garnered all these equipment. This mic also. There is no facilities. Even as organizers, we are spending our own money. Even MUs also. They are offering tea. These are the odd situations that we are facing. Please understand this one and cooperate. The mentors are very much they learned in 5 days, and I hope you gain some knowledge from the mentors. And already as a teacher with a lot of experiments or experience, we have a lot of experiences in your mind. You mix all your own personal experiences to this knowledge, and you have to become good equipped teacher to deliver the content to your beloved children in your school in English language. That's all. It is a continuous process. It is a continuous process, enhancing of the English language. If you go on speaking, then you will become a good speaker. Don't worry about your medium of study. I am totally Telugu medium background. Nowhere I have studied in English medium except MSc Geology or LLB. The all other courses that I have done in Telugu medium itself. Born Telugu medium. Everything. I am scared with the English. I am scared with the mathematics because of the teachers. They have not properly dealt to me or not to my class. Later on, after becoming a teacher, I learned mathematics up to 10th class to teach. I posed a question to myself, why I should become like a clever student in 10th class. The clever student is doing mathematics, sin theta, cos theta sums, but I couldn't. I am helpless before him. And why I am afraid to the English language? Then I started learning, and also learned the mathematics from my students. So that's why I told you, if we have interested, if we are motivated ourselves, then we can learn anything at any age. Okay?